Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Menteri Badipet ya katanat karap karyang kakong Amprin Lingdo, kalau pentip bagajing penmi ya Synsar hapok kejela kalong hadu 100,000 plus pa lai puwe metric ton, jong usnam araja arpu ar hadu araja arpulai, badha usnam araja arpusau hadu araja arpusan, la penmi hadu nyupusan hajar hendus pa prapo metric ton. Kakong Amprin Lingdo kalau jebab hababu jengkeli do MLA ke UDP na Amlaram constituency ubala Kemendrembui, hakikenta kali jengkeli ke barang yat ke dorbar mangdingka ke balong mentakasi. Kakong Amprin kali yathu bagador Synsar kalong khat arajar shispa prapu pratingka shi Quintal, hausnam arajar arpuar hadu arajar arpulai, bad hausnam arajar arpulai hadu arajar arpusau, Synsar ulah Hiar dor, namar kapoi prahajar sauspa tingka, shi Quintal, bad hausnam arajar arpusau hadu arajar arpusan, kador Synsar kalanang Hiar dor, namar kapoi hadu sau hajar hadu spa prapusan tingka shi Quintal.
Honorable Speaker, sir, reply to start question 40A. So the productions of broomstick in the state is as follows: 22 to 23, 66.831 MT, 23-24, 75.680 MT, 24-25, it is currently being estimated. B, sir, the average of the model price of broom per quintal is as follows. In 22-23, it was 12,188. In 23-24, it was 8,400. In 24-25, it was 4,658, sir. So the type 40C, the types of support mechanism are mentioned below. 1. CM Assure is a state government's market intervention scheme which will be notified from time to time for specific non-perishable commodities only when there is a fall in their market price. The procurement price will be fixed to compensate for the cost of cultivation and ensure a marginal profit. 2, sir. In 2024, to mitigate distressed sale of broom grass by farmers, the state government had launched a procurement and aggregation scheme. Under the scheme, the Meghalaya State Agricultural Marketing Board aggregated broom grass from farmers through farmer collectives and individual aggregators at a fixed price, which was above the then prevailing market price. Over 500 MT of the broom was procured with financial disbursement totaling to 4.76 crores, thereby supporting hundreds of broom grass farmers. Reply to 40D, sir. Sir, the CM Assured scheme was launched on the 10th of January 2025 and is being implemented. 40E, sir. The salient features of the scheme is as per statement placed on the table of the House, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, I will, on behalf of the broom farmer of the state and the people in general, I would like to express my deep gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister and the government and the whole cabinet for coming up with a scheme to mitigate the loss of the broom farmer in the state of Meghalaya. Sir, we have seen from the reply of A and B, we have seen the total production is coming up, whereas the price is coming down. If we see to this, in 2022-23, average income of the farmer is about 800 crore, 2023-24, about 635 crore, and estimated about 24-25 is 375 crore. So this linked to economy of the state. Sir, I'm very glad that the government has come up with the measure to support the farmer. But one thing which I want to ask is that what will the government do with what is the government did with the broom which they have procured?
So the government collects this broom grass through their collectives that are placed all across the state, wherever broom is very popularly grown, and there are also individual aggregators. So, sir, the government, in its wisdom, thought that the best thing to do for the farmers is to mitigate while this volatility in the market price fluctuates, and hence farmers are feeling the pressure of loss. So, sir, we have also ensured that we engage in improving the value enhancement of broom, sir. So what the government has done through its marketing board is it collects all this broom, buys it through the aggregators and the collectors, stores it on behalf of the farmer, and waits for the price of broom to rise. What does the government do with these broomsticks? We then save for the farmer who is under stress to sell at a low price, and then we sell it to the markets through value enhancement all across. It could be we make proper, we provide for the farmers also the hubs, the agri hubs. There as well, we teach and train the farmers how to improve this value addition to that broom, to make it more portable, to make it more durable, and to save the broom from further deterioration, because farmers, when they don't have enough space to dry this broom, tendency is that a lot of damage takes place. So therefore, the government intervenes, we mitigate, and then we sell this. So this revolving fund that we have, sir, under CM Assures, returns back to us. We have agencies, we have financing agencies who evaluate, we have a procedure that is prescribed, and this procedure is also a very simple procedure, nothing complicated. So hence we feel that in the first pilot project of 24-25, this method worked very well, and hence we are promoting it, and the Honorable Chief Minister has gone one step forward. He has now ensured that we will have a 100 crore revolving fund to help farmers during the period of stress.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very thankful to Honorable Minister for the reply, which she has given, more importantly, intervention for the benefit of the farmer. One thing I want to ask is that 500 metric ton of broom grass have been procured, and 4.78 crore have been spent. How much do the government recover by selling or value enhancement of this 4.78 crore?
So, sir, in the first pilot project, we have found out as a government that this system works. So what are we doing? We are now providing funds to these aggregators in their various locations across the state, wherever broom grass is popularly grown. And we have found in this investment of 5 crores in the first instance that it has helped the farmer. We are farmer-centric, and our concern is just to make sure that the farmer is saved, and it has worked. And hence we are going and becoming, we have evaluated ourselves. And hence the Honorable Chief Minister, all the officers, together on one stand, said that we must continue this scheme. And hence you have the CM Assure, sir.
Sir, my point is this: the government have gone ahead to help the farmer with 4.78 crore. They have invested in procure of 500 metric ton of broom. My point is this: how much that investment that help? Because as the Honorable Minister has mentioned, that to recover they sell it and then they value addition. how much of this 4.76 crore come back to the government, because this 100 crore is a revolving fund. So that is the question which I want to ask.
Sir, the Honorable Minister has given a very satisfactory reply. I'll just add to the entire purpose, because this was a scheme that was very close to my heart, and I had worked very hard to make this happen. So basically, the crux of the matter is that this is a program which is meant to intervene, to ensure that the market dynamics that sometimes may lead to prices to fall in the market, and that could be many, many reasons. Could be issues with the supply, could be issues with a middleman, issues with transportation, so on and so forth. So the point being, sir, we cannot assess the success of CM Assure simply by looking at the profitability of the board that is buying and selling this, sir. So the larger picture is that we have intervened and we have allowed the prices to come up, and we have intervened at a time when the farmers were in distress. I think that is the majority of the way in which we look at the success of this program. Whereas, as the point mentioned by Honorable Member is also correct, that government and the marketing board must also see. So, sir, this is the first time this has happened. We are working on it. It's not something that has got a ready-made answer for everything. It is evolving, sir. And we will try to do our best. As Honorable Member said, Minister has replied that we will be value addition will be done. We have started about 3 or 4 processing units where the grass is now made into broomsticks. This is being done by cooperative societies. Machine was given by the government to them. Now they have started making the broomsticks into a proper broom, and the value addition is being done. So we will evolve, sir. We will keep improving. And wherever the chance comes in, this is a marketing board, sir, that does this. So the marketing board's job also is to do buying and selling. So therefore, as per the market cycle, we will buy and sell. Sometimes there may be profit, sometimes there may be loss. But at least the farmer, during the time of distress, will be supported by the government. And I think that is the primary objective of this scheme. And wherever possible, the board will try to make profit. It may not make profit every time, because this is more of a farmer social kind of a support structure, which is really what the key objective of the scheme is. So point taken, we will see, sir, how to keep improving value addition so that profitability also comes for the board, but we will keep our focus on helping the farmers during distress, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Minister. The crux of the matter is that marketing, sir. It is very difficult for the farmer, because we have seen the production of the broom every year is increased. So I request the government to explore the possibility how to market, where to market this broom, so that the burden will not fall on the government itself, but it will help the farmer if we could market the broom. Whether the government have explored the market possibility for the broom grass which produced in Meghalaya? That is my question.
Yes, sir. In fact, in the pilot project, sir, the board has recovered approximately 70% of the investment already. So that's the kind of number that we're looking at. And sir, markets, right now the market is it's fluctuating, because suddenly neighboring states like in the northeast were not actually engaging in broom grass, now suddenly have also started picking up and are engaging in broom grass cultivation. So we have a competition now. So in 22, 23, 24, there was a huge stock, and there was a freeze of market circulation of the broom. 2021, especially because of the COVID. Suddenly there was this big boost in the market, and suddenly the prices, scaled very high. So farmers then got interested in this product. and they started furthering their plantations in broom cultivation. So market demands, the government is engaging actively across the board. We have engaged with all Government of India agencies, whether it's APEDA, whether it's, all of those government agencies. We are engaging very, very actively with T.4. We are trying to dovetail this scheme with all of these Government of India schemes, Tribal Affairs Department. So we are definitely working on it, sir. And this particular value enhancement for broom will evolve in the days to come.
Thank you, Minister, for the reply. And I'm very satisfied with the step taken by the government to help the broom cultivators in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, I also request the government to take the possibility to enlighten the farmer that as the other day, the Honorable Minister has mentioned the monocropping. We have to try to see that wherever the broom is cultivated, whether any other crop, the dedicated officer should be deputed to see whether any other crop besides broom could be cultivated, so that even if the price of broom come down, at least the farmer could recover from the crop. This is the only suggestion, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.
Noted, sir.